I'm totally in love with this white stuff. And no, this is not an illegal substance. No, it's not. It's also not a synthetic form of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Your body knows this stuff. It's the third most abundant mineral that you have in your beautiful body. This is Methylsulfonylmethane, MSM. This is not just like any other video that I'm recording. I'm a real fan of MSM, and there are 3 reasons for it. Number 3, this has been my brain fog saver. In university, when I dealt with seasonal allergies, everything was cloudy. I couldn't remember anything. This was one of the things that helped me the most to gain mental clarity back. Towards the end of this video, I share with you one other ingredient that I add that is amazing in combination with MSM to detoxify the brain and the liver. And one of the ways I saw the effect was not just mental clarity, but also when I woke up, I actually remembered that I dreamt something. I had years and years of where I didn't dream anything because I was just foggy and exhausted. Second personal reason, and there are many, many more, for me it was energy in combination with allergy relief. This is even scientifically proven that 80 to 90% of allergy sufferers, seasonal allergies and food allergies, feel better after 30 days of taking this white, beautiful, innocent substance called Methylsulfonylmethane. In a moment, I'm going to share with you how to take it for getting the most benefits out of it. But last but not least, from my personal list, as I'm not having arthritis and joint pain, which it would also helpful with because of its anti-inflammatory benefits, MSM is a gut issue saver. It helps to rebuild the lining of your intestines. So if you're dealing with chronic gut issues, irritated stomach lining, MSM can help with rebuilding that, and is easy absorbable, even if everything is inflamed and red, because of its anti-inflammatory benefits and also because it's third most abundant mineral in the body. So the body knows this stuff. It's not foreign. If you prefer to get it from food, you want to eat a lot of cruciferous vegetables, green algae like spirulina, and fruits where it's abundantly available. But sometimes if you're dealing with chronic issues, especially allergies, arthritis, gut issues, brain fog, then sometimes supplementing is necessary for a while. And I'm linked also my favorite one down below. Now, if you're a geek like me, I have in the end a secret thing that I want to share with you. It's just a bit more geeky but amazing revelation for when it comes to MSM. When you want to learn more, then stay with me until the end. And now we're going to dive into how to take it and when to take it, which is extremely important if you want to get the best benefits out of it. If you don't listen to this advice, you might feel some nausea because your liver is detoxing too fast, a little bit of bloating, stomach upset. That's a sign you went in too fast and too much. However, myself and most of my one-on-one clients that I worked with who took MSM didn't have any issues because they were taking it in the right way. Because MSM can have such a strong detoxing effect on your body, especially if your liver is very toxic, digestive system is very overburdened or inflamed, you want to take it slow, right? So starting off with about 1/4 of a teaspoon into a large glass of water, dilutes perfectly, you just stir a little bit, and you want to start with that and see how you feel. You can start with that once per day, build up to 3 times, which would bring you to about 3 grams per day, which is a nice maintenance dosage. However, if you're having an allergy attack, if you have massive digestive issues, if you have arthritis, knee pain, or an inflammatory bowel disease, so there's a lot going on in your body, then you might want to amp up to 6 grams per day. Just for reference, about 1/4 of a teaspoon is about 1 gram. And because this stuff is energizing, I personally prefer to take it in the morning and in early afternoon. So I take it twice, but then not just a little bit of water, in a large glass of water that you can sip within an hour or 2. Now, before we come to my geeky secret thing that I promised you at the end, I want to share with you one thing that I found out for myself that works like a charm in combination with MSM, and that is a bioavailable natural vitamin C. Not the white stuff, not the ascorbic acid, but we're talking about an ester C, for example, bioavailable combo form of vitamin C, which then in combination with MSM, they amplify each other for detoxification of the brain, anti-inflammatory benefits, especially if allergies are an issue for you, food allergies, seasonal allergies, or a lot of pain or long-term gut struggles. I tend to be a little bit experimental with myself, so I sometimes take 500 to 1000 milligram of vitamin C combined with about 2 to 3 grams of MSM. and that twice per day for over 30 days. Then I take a break, and then I come back to it when I feel like I just need it. Also, if I do sports competition, I love playing beach volleyball, for example, and before a tournament, I legally dope myself with some vitamin C and MSM because it also helps with muscle recovery, with speed, and with strength. Before the secret tip, take a moment now and comment below if this is something totally new for you, if you never heard about MSM in combination with vitamin C, or if you already experienced health benefits, then share it with me and other gut feelers in the comments below. Okay, gut feeler, now here's this geeky thing that I talked about, the chemical structure of MSM. This is so good, you literally gotta absorb it. MSM is not just sulfur. You have the sulfur in the middle, but nature is so smart, right? It comes paired with not just one, but two oxygen molecules. So you got sulfur plus oxygen, which is everything for your cells, right? It's antiviral, it brings vitality to your body. It's the incorporation of health. That's why they built these oxygen chambers and oxygen therapy and all of that. But you get that right into your cell. And then you have two methyl groups on top. Methylation is a fundamental for the human metabolism. So we're talking about gene expression, tissue repair, detoxification on the most intimate cellular level. If you want me to make a video where I talk about why methylation is so important, please let me know if that's of interest. Also methylation problems, what the causes are. Now I want to end this video with letting you know that I created a 1-week gut healing challenge, which includes a lot of foods that are rich in MSM. So you can take a lot of these, but if you don't eat the right foods, nothing's really going to change. You want to fuel your cells with the right foods, which is essential for healing.